In this video, we are going to see the top 15 best Turkish series you need to watch, but before we jump in, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel and tells me to keep going. Number 1. Sakli. Sakli follows Ozan, a married man who arrives with his family at his wealthy father-in-law's seaside villa for the summer. There, he meets Asli, a grieving woman trying to keep her late son's memory alive while running her husband's struggling restaurant. Their lives collide when Ozan's daughter nearly dies, sparking an unexpected connection between the two. What starts as an emotional understanding soon turns into a secret affair, pulling them into a spiral of passion, betrayal, and moral conflict. The story unfolds from both Ozan and Asli's perspectives, forcing the audience to interpret what really happened and why. Their hidden relationship not only risks destroying their families but also reveals deep emotional wounds neither of them fully healed from. While the pacing is slow for some, the storytelling style, showing different points of view, adds psychological depth. The show touches on infidelity, grief, guilt, and emotional need, making it raw, controversial, and deeply human. This is not a feel-good series, it's meant to unsettle, provoke thought, and leave you emotionally stirred. Number 2. Chirak. Chirak follows Terakim, a man shattered by the death of his closest friend. Working as a hitman for a secretive company that claims to deliver justice through assassinations, he begins to question their true motives. Upon uncovering the company's dark side, he sets off on a path of revenge. Over time, he transforms into a cold, emotionless killer. The series features a strong cast including Ozan Akbaba, also the creator, writer, and director, Damla Sonmez, and Kansu Kurgun. With intense action, a dark atmosphere, and striking visuals, many viewers compare it to John Wick. While fans praise its execution, music, and overall vibe, critics argue it lacks originality and borrows too heavily from Western action tropes. Despite this, the series gained attention for its ambition in Turkish action storytelling. Whether it earns a second season will likely depend on how the creators evolve its storyline beyond familiar clichés. Number 3. Kara Sevda. Kemal, a hard-working mining engineer from a middle-class family, meets Nihan, a wealthy and talented painter. Despite their different backgrounds, they fall deeply in love. However, Nihan is forced to marry Emir, a powerful and obsessive businessman who has been in love with her for years. Emir blackmails Nihan by covering up a murder her twin brother Ozan accidentally committed. To protect her brother, Nihan sacrifices her love with Kemal and marries Emir. Heartbroken, Kemal leaves Istanbul and becomes a successful businessman in Zonguldak. 5 years later, he returns to Istanbul, crossing paths with Nihan again. The two rekindle their love while trying to uncover the truth behind Ozan's crime and confront the manipulative Emir. Along the way, they face numerous obstacles, including Emir's relentless obsession and his sister Asu's interference. Despite these challenges, Kemal and Nihan fight for their love, seeking justice and freedom from Emir's control. Kara Sevda captivates with its intense love story, powerful chemistry, and beautiful cinematography. However, the plot becomes frustratingly convoluted in the later episodes, and the ending feels unnecessarily tragic. Despite its flaws, the series still leaves a lasting emotional impact, though it ultimately disappoints with its resolution. Number 4. Seviye Sevmiyor. This series centers around Deniz and Yiğit were close friends until Yiğit moves to America. Yiğit, who was an ugly-looking child when he was young, but when he grew up, he acquired a good and attractive appearance. And Deniz, who was a very beautiful girl when she was little, but became ugly when she became an adult. One day, when Yigit came back from America, he met his childhood sweetheart Yigit again. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. This series delivers a roller coaster of emotions with its comedic and dramatic twists, anchored by compelling character arcs. While some find it overly drawn out, the balanced characters, heartfelt moments, and stellar performances make it a captivating watch. Overall, a rom-com gem that leaves a lasting impression. Number 5. Love Logic Revenge. Love Logic Revenge follows Isra, who marries Ozan for financial stability but faces hardship when he quits his job to pursue his dreams. Exhausted, Isra gets a divorce after suffering a miscarriage. Years later, she discovers Ozan has become a successful CEO while she struggles. Seeking acknowledgement for her sacrifices, Isra plans revenge by making Ozan fall in love with her again. She becomes an intern at his company, Millennium Soft. As Isra and Ozan reconnect, complications arise when Ozan's friend, Chinar, enters the picture. Will Isra's revenge plan succeed, and will love be rekindled between Isra and Ozan? Watch this series to find out. Number 6. Hududse Sevda. Hududse Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 7. Yo Chok Severson. Yo Chok Severson series centers on a clever guy, Atesh, played by Kerem Bürsin, who left his family's home after his mother's death to attend a boarding school abroad, and Leela, played by Hafsnoor Sanjaktutan, who doesn't know her real family and earns money by scamming people. Atesh founded an app, sold it, and lived a luxurious life in Majaka. However, he is forced to return to Istanbul because of his father's death and will. In the will, Atesh's father Wahid Alja requested that he become the guardian of his 3 children from his second wife, Mogai. While dealing with this, Atesh meets Leela, who is part of some fake marriage gang. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 8. Jaisur ve Gujla, Brave and Beauty. In Jaisur ve Gujla, Jaisur Alamdrolu returns to his father's village, Koluda, driven by a deep-seated desire for revenge against Tehseen Koludag, whom he believes is responsible for his father's death. However, his plans take an unexpected turn when he meets Suhan Koludag, Tehseen's beautiful and independent daughter. As Jaisur and Suhan develop a passionate relationship, she grapples with her loyalty to her family and her growing love for him. In a dramatic climax, a betrayal leads to a confrontation between Jaisur, Tehseen, and Raja, culminating in a sacrifice that alters their fates. Ultimately, Suhan gives birth to Jaisur's child, and they embark on a new journey together, symbolizing hope and renewal amidst the chaos of their intertwined families. Jaisur ve Guzl is a captivating Turkish drama that beautifully intertwines romance, revenge, and complex family dynamics. The chemistry between lead actors Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ and Tuğba Büyüküstün is electric, drawing viewers into their passionate yet tumultuous love story. While the series shines with stunning cinematography and strong performances, it occasionally falters with uneven writing, especially in the middle episodes. Overall, it offers an emotional roller coaster that keeps you hooked, making it a must-watch for fans of romantic dramas. Number 9. My Name is Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adem Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. The situation intensifies when it's revealed that the murder victim was an undercover policeman. Number 10. Tin Chitiklari. Tin Chitiklari tells the compelling tale of Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, it becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. Number 11. Ruhun Duymaz. 2023. Onur Kasu is a top agent of Turkish intelligence, and he is after Divan Koral, the owner of Turkey's largest jewelry company. Divan is actually the member of the biggest criminal organization in Turkey, and he uses his jewelry company as a front for his dirty business. In order to catch Divan, Onur becomes lover of Divan's sister and proposes her. But her sister's friend Ajay, who is also a criminal, figures out that what Onur is up to. She tries to tell this to her friend, but Onur catches her. Onur works hard to catch criminals, while Ajay is herself a criminal. So, what will happen when both of them have to work together? Will they get closer to each other? Watch this series to find out. Number 12. Galen. Galen is a story about Cihan Develioglu, who really wants to continue his family line. His mom Muqaddar pressures him to leave his wife Beza, promising he can marry her again if they have a son. At the same time, Hancha, who is very poor, agrees to marry Cihan because her brother is very sick and she needs money. Both Cihan and Hancha are stuck in Muqaddar's plan to have a grandson, which messes up their hopes for love and happiness. As they deal with this tricky situation, unexpected things might happen, and their real feelings could change everything, challenging Muqaddar's plans and changing their lives forever. Number 13. Zembali. Zembali is a heartfelt drama set in a small town where traditional values blend with modern life. It follows the lives of 4 childhood friends who grew up together, sharing dreams, challenges, and deep bonds of friendship. As they navigate love, family struggles, and personal ambitions, they face both joyful and painful moments that test their loyalty and resilience. Through their intertwined stories, the series highlights the importance of brotherhood, love, and the pursuit of dreams, offering a touching exploration of relationships and the changing dynamics of a close-knit community. Zembali is a heartfelt drama that beautifully portrays love, brotherhood, and the struggles of a small-town community. With strong performances and a focus on values, it offers an engaging and meaningful story without relying on explicit content. Number 14. Uzak Sahir, Distant City. Uzak Sahir is an adaptation of the popular Lebanese series Al-Heba. The series follows Alia Albora, who arrives in Mardin from Canada with her late husband's funeral and their young son to fulfill her husband's final wish. Her arrival, however, marks the beginning of an irreversible journey, trapping her within the powerful and dangerous Albora tribe. Sihan Albora, the head of the tribe, is sympathetic to Alia's struggles but refuses to allow her to leave with her child. As Alia grapples with the darkness of the past, hidden family secrets, and the brutal realities of the region, she finds herself at odds with her late husband's family. The show delves into the tension between Alia and the powerful Albora clan, where old grudges and complex relationships complicate her mission. Caught between the love for her son and the violent world she's now trapped in, Alia must navigate a life she never expected. In a setting filled with danger, betrayal, and power struggles, Alia faces a fierce battle for her freedom and the future of her child. As she unravels long-buried secrets, Alia must decide whether she can break free from the clutches of the Albora family or if she will be consumed by it. The series explores themes of family, loyalty, and survival in a harsh, unforgiving environment. Number 15. Yemen. Yemen, The Promise, is a Turkish romantic drama that aired on Kanal 7 from February 2019 to October 2022. Rehan, raised in a traditional setting, becomes an orphan after her mother's death. Her life takes a dramatic turn when Hikmet Tarhun, a wealthy family friend, asks her to marry his son, Emir, to ensure the family's future. Out of gratitude and respect, Rehan agrees, despite not knowing Emir. Emir, a free-spirited and rebellious young man, resents the arranged marriage and vows to make Rehan's life miserable, so she will seek a divorce. He is supported in this by his mother, Kavidin, who disapproves of Rehan's humble background. Despite the hostility, Rehan remains patient and kind, gradually softening Emir's heart. As they spend more time together, Emir begins to see Rehan's genuine nature and starts to fall in love with her. The series delves into the complexities of human relationships, portraying the evolution of love from resentment to deep affection. Gökberk Demirci's portrayal of Emir captures the internal struggle of a man torn between duty and desire. Their chemistry is palpable, drawing audiences into their journey of self-discovery and mutual respect. So that was the video, friends. If you want to know about more Turkish series like this, then please click here.